Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at this John Deere 160. This is a fairly old machine. I don't know the exact date, but I would guess late 80s, early 90s these were made. And this had an intermittent no start. And I've seen this before on these type of John Deeres. This has a Kawasaki engine, like most of them did back then. These engines work pretty well. They also have an automotive type starter system here, and when I picked this up, you hit the key and it would just click. You had to hit it over and over, and then it would crank sometimes. And what I found is sometimes this wire here gets a little bit loose. It's moving right now, but it's got a good connection. But up here on the key underneath the ignition switch, you know, the last time I tried it, it wouldn't crank, and I touched that, and then all of a sudden this started cranking. So what you really want to try and do is pull both of these off, make sure all your terminals are clean, and then it should kick as soon as you hit the key, just like that. You know, so that the whole point here is before you start throwing parts at it, make sure that you have good connections everywhere. Because once they get older like this, and the metal gets a little corroded, gets a little film on it, it doesn't take much sometimes. But I've seen this before on these older John Deeres, and it's a fairly easy fix. And overall, this machine is in really good condition for the age. It still has all the paint on the deck. It has the bagger. Both the bags are in really good condition. The only thing that took a beating here is the seat. Now, it doesn't have an hour meter, but I would bet it has a good amount of hours on it, judging by the seat. The hood's not broke or anything like that. So, it's a daytime mower. You know, it doesn't have any headlights, which was pretty common on them. The steering's good yet. It doesn't hardly have any play. You know, that's almost no play. You know, that's just a very little bit. It's not, there's no slop in it. You know, this one's a 5-speed, 38-inch deck, which was pretty common. And this is going to make somebody a really, really nice machine. It's older. It's still all green, except for the yellow deck. It's in really, really good shape. So I just wanted to put that out there. Don't be afraid of these older ones. When they were taken care of, like this one, they still have a lot of life left in them yet. If you find this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.